Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 7 latest defense updates in part 2 video of today's. Number 1, Russia offers Mig-29 K with upgraded systems to Indian Navy. Once again, Russia has reaffirmed its previous proposal to supply additional Mig-29 K fighter jets to meet the Indian Navy's requirement. This offer comes in response to rival proposals made by Dassault Rafale M and Boeing for their respective aircraft, the Rafale M and F-18EF Super Hornet, to fulfill the Indian Navy order for 26 fighter jet. Russia's updated offer includes equipping the Mig-29K with new and improved RD-33 engines. These engines provide a higher thrust of 91 kN compared to the current engine's 88 kN, which also addresses concerns raised by the Indian Navy regarding the wearing of parts at high speeds. Next, India planning to send high-resolution EO satellites with Defence Satellite Launch Vehicle. The Indian Ministry of Defence is expected to approve plans for the development and production of an electro-optical satellite weighing between 150 to 200 kg. This satellite will serve as a space-based intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance ISR asset, providing backup support in case primary military satellites become disabled. Next, Rafale M order might be inked next year after general elections. India is likely to declare the winner of the tender for its deck-based fighter jet requirements for its aircraft carrier after Prime Minister Narendra Modi will attend this year's Bastille Day parade in Paris as the guest of honor on July 14th in France, but the deal will not be inked this year as per information provided by people familiar with the matter. Next, Embraer held talks with Tata and Mahindra for local manufacturing. Embraer, a renowned aircraft manufacturer, has joined forces with Tata Group and Mahindra Group to establish local manufacturing capabilities in India. The strategic partnership aims to boost domestic manufacturing, create job opportunities, and contribute to the growth of India's aerospace industry. Embraer's collaboration with Tata Group and Mahindra Group marks a significant step towards strengthening the manufacturing sector in India. Next, PLA Delegates at ShangriLa dialogue assures India poses no military threat, focuses on cooperation. During the ShangriLa dialogue, a PLA, People's Liberation Army delegation from China emphasized that India does not pose a military threat to China. The delegation highlighted the importance of cooperation between the two nations and expressed a commitment to strengthening bilateral ties. Next, neglected INS Chapal in Karwar seeks urgent attention to preserve warship history. The historic warship INS Chapal, currently serving as a museum in Karwar, Karnataka, is facing neglect and is dire need of attention. The vessel, which played a significant role in India's naval history, is deteriorating due to lack of maintenance and support. Urgent steps must be taken to preserve this important piece of maritime heritage for future generations. Next, Indian Navy takes green initiatives, imbibes green technologies. The Navy, as a self-driven and environmentally responsible force, has always been committed towards environment protection and green initiatives. As guardian of the seas, the Navy employs a number of ships, submarines and aircraft that have high energy intensity. Thus, increasing energy efficiency is paramount in every operation and process the Navy undertakes, an official statement said on Sunday. Some of the noteworthy initiatives towards clean and green Navy are elaborated in succeeding paragraphs. Thank you.